Okay, welcome to this tutorial. We're going to draw a chain drive, and it's going to be a two-part process and of two parts and an assembly. So to start off, we're going to draw quickly our we choose the front plane, and then we sketch center line, and we make this. Then we draw a vertical center line. Okay. Okay, so we draw a circle. So, and for this we are going to use IPS system for this. So our first circle is 0.4875 inches. So we're going to select inches here now, and then we are going to change this guy. That was for this inner one that we just did. So we're going to select it again and add a new dimension, and for this we're going to add the dimension of 0.4875. Yes, and then we're going to add the distance from the center, and distance is going to be 0.25 inches, and we have this. So we have a very simple. Okay, now we're going to mirror entities, and we're going to select these two circles, and then we're going to mirror it about the and then we have this. The next step is to use 3-point arc to and that is it. Now we're going to make the relation between these two parts. Now the circle and the arc, we're going to make the relation tangent. Let's clear the selections first, then we select this, and then we select this, and then we have tangent, and then we go for tangent. Okay, and then for this we select arc relation, and then we select this, and then we take this. We're going to delete 0.17, and then we take tangent. Now we're going to mirror entities again, and we're going to mirror this, and then we're going to mirror it about this guy. Let us do this again. Mirror entities, select this, then we're going to select it about, and we have this. Okay, so we now use trim entities. we use trim entities to trim off this guy, this guy, this guy, and this guy. And yes, we have the shape we are looking for. Okay, so the next step through this process is actually to extrude this. We're going to use the extrude feature, and we are going to extrude it to 0.0625. We have this. See, we are getting somewhere. Now we're going to add a fillet to this face, and then we are going to add another one to this face. Okay, and our fillet is going to be 0.01 inch. Okay, let's make sure that's applied. Okay, that is applied now. And now the next step is to okay, let's have this. Right, we'll select this. Okay, so we now have to select this face. Let's keep it this way, so this face, and sketch, and then we select this, and then convert entities. Convert entities. Okay, and then we keep it this way, and then we draw a circle. We draw a circle of radius. Let's use our smart dimension. Smart dimension is equal to radius 0.312, and then afterwards we extrude this, and then we're going to extrude it 0.312 also. Okay, let us see if it worked. Okay, yeah, wow, we have this. Okay, so the next step is to let us select the right plane so that we can mirror the to the other side. So let us use the features, and okay, and we are going to select this. I'm going to mirror it to the right side, and then we do this. Okay, so we have mirrored that, and now we will also like to okay, so we're going to form a new plane that will enable us. Okay, and then we have this two planes. We've selected the surface and then the edge here, and then we say okay. We are also going to mirror again. Okay, this time around we are going to mirror this edge. We're going to mirror it to the end. Okay, let us save this, and then we have this. See, we have the basic parts of our chain, and if you notice, we do not have the fillet here, so let us quickly add that. We go to features, and then we select fillet, and then we select this plane, this face, and then we take this face. Okay, and then we apply the fillet, and we have something looking very good. Okay, now we have this, and this is going to form the basic component of our Okay, so we're going to click this and then we're going to sketch. Now let us take it back a bit because we're going to draw a line. We're going to draw a line here and going to draw a longer one over here. Okay, and then I'm going to draw two center line at both ends. Yes, okay, good. Let us have this way. Let's take it again. A center line here. Then we have another one, center line. Okay, now let us use our smart dimension to okay, now we're going to give that a distance of 4.875. After that okay, see, and now we are going to use our center point arc and we're going to use it to create a circle. Okay, so it's not going to cover for this, and then we're going to draw another one here. Now it's going not to cover fully again, and that's it. Now let us go ahead and use our smart dimension to give this a radius. So for radius we are going to do 4.196 divided by 2. I'm going to do the same thing here. 4.196 divided by 2. We have this. See, we have 2, and we are done with our smart dimension. So the next thing we are going to do is we're going to use our 3-point arc to join these two guys together, and we're going to okay, and yes, this is what we have. Alright, now let us confirm something. Okay, and now we are going to calculate the distance from this point to this point. It's going to be 8. It's going to be 8.74 8.874382. Okay. Alright, so this is what we have, and now we're going to make this add relation here. This point, first of all, let's clear selections. Add relation here and here. Make a tangent. Add relation here. Select this, and this. Same thing for the top part. We're going to make relation here. We're going to select this and this. Let's clear selections. So we clear the selections, and then we try it again. We select this and this and this. Do the same for the person. Tangent. Now we also are going to set this to 0.3. 0.3. So after that, we're going to select okay. Alright, 0.3. That is okay. Now we are going to exit sketch. We already have our profile for our chain, and then we'll go to sketch, and then we go on the linear pattern, and we are going to use curve driven pattern, and we're going to select sketch. You know what, let us select the sketch first, sketch 11, and then we go to sketch 11, and then we go to curve driven pattern, and then we're going to have 35 ticks. Then the spacing is going to be 1 inch, and then we are going to have that offset and tangent to curve. Now we're going to select the body of pattern, and our body of pattern is going to be this. Yes, fillet 2 is going to be our body of pattern. Okay, let us wait for it to. Okay, we have our fillet too. Okay, and as you can see, we have this ready. So, and that is it. We finished designing the first part of our sketch. Now let us quickly save this before my laptop offs is done. Now we're going to save that as part 1. Yeah. Save. As you can see. Now we're going to remove all of Okay, welcome. So for this video we are going to create the second part of our chain and then assemble it. We're going to start by drawing two center line in our front plane. Sketch. I'm going to draw two center line. So after drawing the two center line, we're going to draw a circle, just like we did for the first one. Then we're going to draw another circle for the inside. Before we start dimensioning, let us change um, our this thing to meters to inch. Okay, that's smart dimension. So this is going to be for the big circle is going to be 0.425. No, that is for the small circle. It's the big circle. The small circle is 0.156 and the big circle is going to be 0.425. Okay. Then we're going to the distance from the center point to this center of our circle is going to be 0.25 and yes. Now let us zoom in to this. Okay. Now, like we did for the first one, we're going to mirror entities and then we are going to mirror about here, and we have this. Okay, and now we're going to use 3 point arc to draw an arc here to join both, and we're going to set relation, add relation. Going to select this, and we're going to select this. Okay, and we have a tangent, and we set it to tangent. We're going to do the same for here. We're going to select this, add relation, we select this, and we select this line, and then we remove this other point and we select tangent, and we have this sorted out. Okay, so we are going to now mirror entities again, mirror this, mirror entities, and then we clear selection. So we done a mistake, we select this, and then we mirror about this. Okay, I just remembered. Okay, okay, let's see. Let's go back a bit. Okay, mirror entities, back this. Okay, so let us add our relation again. There seems to be a mistake in the initial one. Let's come here and add relation again. So we're going to select clear selection, select this and this, and make our relation tangent. Let's have a look. Okay, this is okay, this is okay. Now it does mirror. Let's mirror entities. Okay, let's mirror this, and then let's mirror about this, and we have what we want. Okay, now let us trim entities, and we trim this, we trim this, we trim this, we trim this, we trim this. Trim, trim this. determine the whole. Let's see. Okay, it's okay now. And we have our sketch, our main sketch for this part we are drawing. So what we have to do is to extrude, and our extrude is going to be 0.0625. Yes, we have our part. See, now we're going to select this face, and now okay, so we're going to select this face, and then we extrude sketch, and we're going to give it an extrude length of and 0.59312, and then we will now reverse. Okay, then for the second direction we're going to draw 0.02, then we save it. Now let us see what we have. We have, okay, it didn't come out at the back. Let us edit this. Sketch plane. Let's see. Zero point zero 0.02. Let's see. Um, let's bring it out a little bit more. 0.04. Okay, it's okay now. Right. Well, have what I want. Let's zoom this to fit. Then we have this little notch at the back of our um this shaft that was at the back. Now we're going to add a new plane, and let's add a new plane, and then we're going to have use this as a reference. choose the back, and then we choose the front. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is good. Now after that, we are going to select um we're going to mirror, and the mirror we're going to mirror this, and then we save. So you see we have, okay, our shape is taken to forming what we want it to be. And now we're going to select this plane, sketch, and number 2, and then we're going to collect from the top plane, number 2. Okay. Mm, okay. So we're going to draw a line, draw a center line from the center. Okay, so we select the top plane, and then we sketch. Okay, we just draw a center line, and then we draw a circle from any point there to this. Okay, now we draw a line from the center to any point here. Okay, we didn't even get that right. Let's draw line again from the center to this point. So, okay, now let us trim off this. Okay, and then let us dimension them. We're going to have a radius of 0.125. Then we're going to draw distance to 0.03238318. Okay, all right. Okay, and we have it. Okay, now we are going to revolve cut, and we have what we want. Let's see, and let's go back to sketch and come inside a bit, and we have this very beautiful, you know, design at the end of it. Yes, now go back to fit. Now we're going to select right plane, and then we're going to mirror this and this. Okay, and you can see we have our mirror. Now let's see. Okay, we are also going to select this plane, and we're going to mirror this, and then we're also going to select the right plane. Yes, the right plane. This, no, right plane, right plane. Select the right plane, and then we mirror this. Mirror, and we're going to mirror this. Let us see what we just did, and then you see we have this beautiful stuff here. Okay. Okay, let us keep this number 2. All right, let us add a fillet to this fillet, and we're going to add fillets to the edge here. Here, let us switch it here and here, and our fillet is going to be 0.01. And you can see you can see what we have here. Now we're also going to add a fillet to this face, and to this face. Yeah, 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 yeah. Let us see if we select it underneath here and here, and our fillet is still going to be 0.01. As you can see, we have this ready. Alright, now we're going to expand the plane, make it bigger, and I'm going to select this to normal to and sketch. Now we're going to draw a line through the center. And we're going to zoom out here. Okay, let's make this line longer. And then we're going to draw this smart dimension to give this a length of 5.5 inch. Okay. Now we draw a center line. We draw a center line. Okay. Okay. And we draw for one here also. Okay. Right. Let's zoom out again. And then we use this center point arc to draw a circle. Okay. And then, okay. We will not draw the circle to be a full round circle. So we're going to now select a radius for our circles, and our radius is going to be 4.196 divided by 2. Same thing for this, 4.196 divided by 2. Okay. And we're going to use our 3-point arc to join this. Okay, let's see. Now let's zoom in a bit. Okay, and we're now going to add some dimensions. We're going to this, and then we're going to give it a distance of 8.74382. Okay, and now we're also going to give this a distance of 0.3. 0.3. Okay. Mm, let's see. All right, 0.3, 0.3, 5.0. Let's exit the sketch. This is what it looks like. Now we are going to select this sketch 6, and we're going to select curve driven pattern. Alright, we forgot one very important thing. Let us go back to sketch, and that is why we have this smart guy here to remind us. We have to add our relation here to be tangent, and we forgot to do that. That is why we had that error. So we set this to tangent, so our relation will meet well. So we do this, add relation, we select this, and we select this, and we delete this selection, and we make it tangent. Over defined. Um, let's continue. Yes. Add relation. this and this tangent. Alright, this add relation, this and this tangent. Alright, let's exit sketch. Now we're going to go to curve driven pattern, and we selected the sketch. We want 35 teeth, and we want this to be offset tangent to curve. Now we want to select our bodies to pattern. And for that, we're going to select this. Okay, it's been registered, and you see we have our okay. Let us zoom in here and see what we have. Rotate view. Okay, let us see. So you see we have a beautiful chain here. Now let us go ahead and hide some of these so we don't see them. And also hide this so we don't see them. Okay, and this is it. We're now going to save this. We're going to save it as part 1. Alright, we now go over to the assembly so that we can assemble these parts together. And at the assembly, the first thing we are going to do is to import our parts. It's part 1 and part 2. Open. Yes, we changed the color so we can differentiate between the two parts, and also so it can look cool. Alright, so let's start here by okay. Let us start here by selecting a width so that they can be on the same axis. So we're going to select mates, and we're going to go to advanced mates, and in the advanced mates we're going to select width, and we're going to select not this face. Let's clear selection. I'm going to select this face, and we're going to rotate view, and then we're going to select this face. For the other one, so this face, I'm going to rotate view, I'm going to select this face. See, they're both on the same axis now, and then we say okay. Let's see what we have here. Let us try mating the both of them. Oh, you're looking very beautiful. Very beautiful. Hey, beautiful. You know, looking very nice. Let us rotate to view. And now let us now make this properly. We bring this down. We okay, I see. We could select mate. No, we mate again. And now we okay, mate selection. We pick this and then we select the inner diameter. Okay. I wonder why it's not mating. Let me do it again. We're going to select the first one, this, and then we're going to select this. And look at that, it's worked. Let us zoom to fit and take a look at our chain, looking wonderful and beautiful. We're going to see a close-up look. Can you see our chain has mated properly and it is beautiful, very beautiful. This is the best chain you're going to see out there. Very beautiful chain, very beautiful chain. Alright, this is it. Let us save this. Then we're going to save it as Dr. Manso 3327 CA. And that is it. Thank you so much for following along as we created this.